Okay guys, what is going on? It's kind of windy right now, but other than that, it's a very, very nice day. Not too cold. It actually feels really, really good out here. Okay, so everybody out. There's a live stream going on there. Let's see if we got any eggs. And I did check the eggs, they weren't fertile. So that means it must be Oreo's eggs. Oreo's one of the youngest out of ducks too. Born in 2015, so Bucka always mates with her. So if it was her eggs, it'd be fertilized. So it can't be hers. So I guess we found it. I guess it must be hers. And that one's lays the green egg, so it can't be that one. Okay, I'm gonna do is check back here. I don't see any yet. When we just look later, like right here-ish. Don't see anything. We'll see. Maybe later in the day. I'm just gonna push those back here to get their bedding. If we got any more mating action, every time I let them out, they immediately start mating. I wonder if they do it at all in here, or they just wait till they get outside and do it. Hi, Bucko. Bucko and them are normally a pair. I think Bucko and Oreo always follow each other around, but since Bucko is mating with her, we have a little bit of a scandal going on. It seems like. But I mean, at least now I know which one's which, because they both lay our eggs. I'm not sure they're Oreo's eggs or her eggs. Now I kind of know. Unless Bucko's been doing a really, really bad job. But she's older, she's a 4, so I would expect her to lay not many eggs. So it makes more sense if it's Oreo. And I should check, I'm gonna check underneath here. Let's see. I don't see any eggs. Normally, yeah, issue last year where they laid, I found a dozen eggs under there. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the live stream. It's very different, it's really cool kinda. You guys see what's going on all day. And at night it just repeats what's going on day instead of being a black screen until I get a night vision, or if I get a night vision, it's replays the whole day so you guys never miss anything what's going on. Oh hi chicken, okay bye. Chickens seem to like being pet. Hi. Can I pet you? Nope, you're gonna run away. That chicken does not like me at all. You think so gets to be friendly. Look at this. Wants nothing to do with me. I see how it is. You can see where a chicken's been digging. Dust bathing. I guess it's helping Scratchy get ready for the summer. We will see. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I hope you guys enjoy the watch video. I keep forgetting to add into the description, but I will. If not, you guys can just find it on my channel too. So guys, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys tonight. Okay guys. Set up everybody away. Everyone's out still tonight. It's not that cool of a night. It's like 36 right now. So I get stuck in the netting. Oh, there we go. I'm trying to get the lane here because I found eggs underneath the coop. There's the chicken eggs right there. I found underneath the coop. Okay, everybody's in. Make sure we count everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, everybody's in for a night. Okay, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.